best porta potty experience I've ever had.
From its porta party PR to its campus in downtown Vegas, Zappos, the online shoemonger, is devoted to different.
Let me give you these 3 rules about wearing wallflowers, as we like to call them.
Wallflowers?
Wallflowers. As you see, we got the wall, and we call them wallflowers.
Front desk dress code enforcer Jason Brown gives visitors 3 options.
First one is to take it off if it holds sentimental value to you. The next one is to wear it around your head in a bandana, John Rambo style. And then the last one is to cut it, and it becomes part of the collection.
Thankfully, my tie was deemed passably peculiar and thus spared a spot on the wall. Amidst decor both seasonal, lanterns for Chinese New Year, and long-standing, like the shoesaphone. Tony Hsieh took over Zappos 17 years ago, after selling his online ad network, Link Exchange, to Microsoft for a cool $265 million.
What a lot of people actually don't know is the real reason why we ended up selling the company.
And that is?
Because the company culture just ended up going completely downhill. I myself dreaded getting out of bed in the morning to go to my own company.
History would not repeat itself, Hsieh vowed. So at Zappos, culture comes first. And that starts with hiring people who'll fit.
I remember coming in, and one of the things was, we're not trying to hire based off of your education. We want to hire based off of someone I would want to go have a beer with after lunch.
Well, I would want to have a beer with you, and I barely know you.
Yeah, I wouldn't have a beer. We could have a shot.
Zappos' core values are an obsession. Embrace change. Be humble. Create fun and a little weirdness.
It's a family that loves to play.
Musician Tyler Williams heard it was harder to get into Zappos than Harvard. So to be more than a face in the crowd, he sent a video Valentine. And when it earned him an interview...
I think one of the craziest questions is they ask on a scale of 1 to 10, how weird are you? So I'm definitely a 10 on that scale, so I was worried I was a little too weird for